Hi guys, so today I got this easy bake oven. My uncle's friend gave it to me, or the person who's recording this. Anyways, so let's open this up.
Wait.
Really excited.
Easy bake oven.
Easy bake oven. Oh wait.
Did you know that?
Pretzels?
Did you know that you can actually make real edible food with this?
I know.
This is what we're
So
gonna
you
do
got
today.
pretzels? I know it looks girly, but trust me, it's gonna be cool. I don't care. Let's cut this open.
I don't think it matters if it's for girls or boys. You know, like
Hold on.
don't matter.
So,
My friend actually brings his camping with him,
yeah.
and it comes handy. See, you can make things. Okay,
I need to see the instructions.
there's instructions.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait, how do we turn those lights up?
with that light switch. Come on, this ain't your first rodeo. Oops.
Whatever this is.
Santa Claus is coming.
Ho, 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 ho.
Oh, look. Okay. So here, okay. You talk about it. I don't want to talk.
Also, wait, guys, I have no idea what this stuff is. Oh, yeah. Let this dude explain.
So basically, it's like a Wait. Is it conveyor? Wait, I would see.
Yeah, it's like a conveyor.
What? There's no chain. How does it work? How do you even clean in there?
That is a good question.
We should probably read the instructions.
You probably should.
I didn't think about the clean part.
Move the box. Please. I think it goes like this.
Here, let me help you with this part. Okay, there we go. All right.
Wow, this is beautiful. Oh.
What is that noise? Hey, mister, what are you shooting at?
Guys,
Can I show you how it works?
nothing fun is happening. Okay, hold on.
See, that ejects bullets.
Wait, do I put these in here? Look at this.
I don't know. Do you read the instructions?
What the heck? Why is it?
Are you excited? You have your own bake shop.
I can.
Is that your plan?
Yeah.
Here, take this off. Rip off. No, I mean the plastic. Just pull the plastic. There you go.
Be very gentle.
This is actually a real thing. See? On. What?
Oops.
That's all. Accident. Okay, so this goes in. This comes out. Where's the tray? It's stuck in there. Oh, wait, I got it.
Yeah, see.
Hold on.
You have to.
You should be able to open this somehow. See how it's like this?
Yeah.
So you have to be able to get the tray out somehow. Wait. Is it bottom?
Maybe you turn it on.
Oh wait, I got it. Hold on.
You're gonna
Nope.
break it. It doesn't come off.
Let's read the instructions.
Put it down. Super gently.
Okay, we will get back to you after
Oh yeah,
instructions.
we'll make part 2, boys.
Say peace.
Peace, guys.